Lincoln County Road or Armageddon. Seems like I've been down this way before. Is there any truth in that, Senor? Senor, Senor, do you know where she's hiding? How long are we gonna be riding? How long must I keep my eyes glued to the door? Will there be any comfort there, Senor? There's a wicked wind still blowing in that apple there. There's an iron cross still hanging down from around her neck. There's a marching band still playing in that vacant lot. Well, she held me in her arms one time. I said, forget me not, Senor, Senor. I can see that painted wagon, smell the tail of a dragon. Can't stand the suspense anymore. Can you tell me who to contact here, Senor? Last thing I remember before I stripped and kneeled was a trail of the fools bogged down in a magnetic field. A gypsy with a broken flag and a flashing ring. He said, son, this ain't a dream no more, it's the real thing, Senor. Senor, you know their hearts is hard as leather. Well, give me a minute, let me get it together. Just got to pick myself up off the floor. I'm ready when you are, Senor. Let's overturn these tables, disconnect